So in lines and angles topic, some problems are left. Let us do them. Right, first one, find the value of x. Here we have to find the value of x. L and M are two parallel lines. L is a transversal. So x angle is given here 110. We should find the value of x. If it is 110, then this is also 110 because they are called vertically opposite angles. If it is 110, this is also 110. These two angles are called corresponding angles. It is above the line. Here also it is above the line. If two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. So x and 110 both are same. So we can write x is equal to 110. They are corresponding angles. This is 110 degrees. So this is also 110. They are called vertically opposite angles. So 110 means this angle is also 110. Now these two angles are same because it is above the line. Here also it is above the line. They are called corresponding angles. If two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. So x value is 110 degrees. Write the second one. L and M are two parallel lines. N is a transversal. This is 75 degrees. It is 11x minus 2. Now two lines are parallel. This is above the line. This is also above the line. Corresponding angles we call them. So corresponding angles are equal. Since L is parallel to M, two lines are parallel. Corresponding angles are equal. So 11x minus 2 is equal to 75. They are corresponding angles, so they are equal. Minus 2 you take that side. 11x is equal to 75 plus 2. 11x is 77. X is equal to 77 by 11. So x value is 7. So two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Equate these two angles, you will get x value. Write the third bit. If this is 12x plus 17, this is also 12x plus 17, they are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal, they are vertically opposite angles. So this is 12x plus 17, this is also 12x plus 17. If two lines are parallel, above the line here, above the line, they are called corresponding angles are equal. So therefore, since L is a line parallel to M, 14x minus 1 is equal to 12x plus 17. Corresponding angles are equal. Take all x one side, numbers other side. 14x minus 12x is equal to 71. Minus 1 will become plus 1. 14x minus 12x is 2x is equal to 18. X value is 18 by 2. That is x value is 9. Find the value of x and y in the following figure. Find the value of x and y in the following figure. Here we have to find x value and y value. Y is here and x is here. Now, first in this triangle, let us mark them as A, B, C. First in triangle ABC, sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. Let us use that. So first in triangle ABC, sum of the three angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. Angle A is 52 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. Angle C is 3y plus 5. This is 180 degrees. 90 plus 57, that is 147 plus 3y is 180. Send 147 that side. 180 minus 147, that is 3y is equal to, we will get 33. So y is equal to 33 by 3, that is y value is 11. So after getting y value, now we should find out x value. Here you see two lines are parallel, this is a transversal. If two lines are parallel and it is a transversal, then these two angles are called interior angles on the same side of transversal. Their sum is 180 degrees. So this angle and this angle both are interior angles on the same side of transversal. their sum is 180 degrees. So since this AB is parallel to CD, two lines are parallel, then X and this whole angle, these two are interior angles on the same side of transversal. So X plus 65 plus 52, this is 180 degrees. They are interior angles on the same side of transversal. So interior angle on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So we will get X plus 65 plus 52, that is 117, is equal to 180. Send 170 that side. X is equal to 180 minus 170. X is equal to 63 degrees. Right, next question. Find the values of x and y if AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. Here this symbol indicates that this line is parallel to this line and this BC is parallel to DE. Two lines are parallel. Here these two are parallel and these two are parallel. Using that property we have to find x value and y value. Now if two lines are parallel, these are the two lines. This is the transversal. So they are called alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Two lines are parallel. Here right side the line 24 degrees is there. Here right side 3x is there. If two lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. So we can write, since AB is a line parallel to CD, these two lines are parallel. Right side of the line 24 is there. Here it is 3x is there. So they are called corresponding angles. So 3x is equal to 24. Two lines are parallel. Corresponding angles are equal. So x is equal to 24 by 3. X value is 8. Now next, two lines are parallel. Here y we have to find. This is y. If two lines are parallel, here also it should be y. Two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are, if it is y, this is also y. Now, angle on a straight line, y plus 105 plus 24, if you add all the three, that should be 180 degrees. So, y plus 105 plus 24, that is 180 degrees, angle on a straight line. So, y plus 105 plus 24 is 129, is 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 129. Y is equal to 10 minus 9 is 1. That is 51 degrees.